This is the Radar Dimax Sprint, their newest performance tyre, which offers the perfect synergy of design and engineering.
It's designed to deliver all-round safety, excellent performance and control for passenger cars and SUVs.
It offers the driver ultimate handling and grip in both wet and dry conditions, as well as a low rolling resistance and a quiet ride. So let's take a look. It contains a Rainmaster performance compound, which gives the ideal combination of wet performance as well as low rolling resistance.
Its twin hanger tread design offers great steering and cornering precision,
as well as being noise optimised for a more comfortable driving experience.
And don't forget to stay up to date on all things tyres and servicing. Make sure to hit that subscribe button.
Radar have included their newest safety feature called the Circle of Tread Life, and it's an easy way for you to tell what tread you have remaining on your tyres.
When the tyre is new, the indicator is a full circle with 8mm of tread remaining.
As the tyre wears down, then the indicator will begin to fade and completely disappears at 2mm. Remember, the UK legal limit is 1.6mm. The Dimax Sprint's wet performance is further enhanced by these aqueduct grooves.
The smooth, shiny grooves, along with an optimised groove wall angle, helps to evacuate water away from the contact patch more efficiently. This reduces your risk of aquaplaning and enhances your safety.
And thanks to the collaboration with Italian design house GFG Style, the sidewall has a more premium look and feel.
The smooth velvet sidewall not only looks great,
but it also reduces the tyre's drag, as well as being easier to clean. So there we have it. That is the Radar Dimax Sprint, a great affordable performance tyre option that is also EV compatible. To find out more, head to edentyres.com.